recognize that this is a project that you guys did similar last year, right?
Sort of, yeah.
But
Wait, I don't know.
but I think given that and given that, or sticking with what you originally proposed, this is clearly fun and people enjoy it, and I think it works really well with this particular technologies that you're using, as opposed to using keyboard. All of a sudden, it's like you actually feel like you're gobbling up the men and stuff like that. So yeah, it was a really nice surprise to see that. So,
Well done.
yeah.
I like it.